Hi everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. I'm Daisy, the head graphic designer at LOPO. It is glad to see you again in this video. Today, I would like to talk about the 40-ounce travel tumbler, which is really hot in the market now. You may already get a lot of information from different social media. This product is useful in our daily life like traveling, driving car, and doing sports. This product is leak-proof design and can keep the temperature of drink for a long time, so it is no worry about bringing it for a long trip. Okay, let's talk about the design part. Before you start design, you need to have a template. For the template, I usually make it 3 mm wider than its actual size. That could be more convenient for you to cut the whiteboard and wrap it on its surface. Then, based on this template, let's talk about what kind of design is suitable for it. As you can see, the design area is quite large, so you can design it in many different styles. Now, there are some tips I would like to share to you. First, if you want to do a project design and put your favorite photo on it, you need to pay attention not putting the images too close to the border. You better leave some space between the border and the images. Second, we do not suggest you to do a full color-based or images-based design on it, because it would be more difficult for you to print. As a result, that might leave some gaps between the design and the tumbler. Okay, that's all for today's videos. This is Daisy from LOPO and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Okay, join us and make life memorable.